everyone, welcome back to Xolile Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, Xolile Langa portrayed by Etv Scandal is one of the characters on Scandal who their contracts were not renewed. She came on Scandal as Boniso's daughter and they were complimented a lot on how they speak Xolile language. Etv Scandal shared a heartfelt message about her departure on Instagram and it reads, so on Friday we said a very subtle peace out to Xolile Langa. Yes, I can now finally say it out loud that we won't be seeing her for a while. To exit the very same way she came into our life was homage to the true nature of her being, putting family first. That's what we had in common, the love of family. I can say so much about Xolile, but what will always stand out is her growth from being Xolile Langa to Xolile Langa Mayiza to finally Xolile Langa Medube, and what a journey that was. This is not a goodbye, this is till we meet again. I mean, it's official Etv Scandal after all. Thank you for the love, support, recognition. These past 4 years have been magical. It was an absolute honor to play this character and to be part of many families' life and homes in this country. This is one I will forever cherish. Oh, but the memories, the joy, the laughter, the lessons, the boom is that the scenes moment. I will never forget this opportunity. Later, guys. Hashtag Etv Scandal, hashtag becoming Xolile, hashtag grateful, hashtag swipe left. Till we meet again, Etv. We wish you all the best and thank you so much for sharing your craft with us. One word for Xolile, guys, and her character. Please comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.